Introducing Master Your Cooking Routine, Expert Tips for Effortless Meals. Are you tired of spending hours in the kitchen? Struggling to come up with delicious meals every day? Do you wish you could effortlessly whip up a gourmet feast without breaking a sweat? Well, you're in luck. In this video, we're going to share some expert tips and tricks to help you master your cooking routine and make mealtime a breeze. Picture this. It's the end of a long day, and you're feeling exhausted. The last thing you want to do is spend hours in the kitchen, chopping vegetables and slaving over a hot stove. But with the right cooking routine, you can have a delicious and satisfying meal on the table in no time. First and foremost, it's important to have a well-stocked pantry. Make sure you have all the essential ingredients on hand, such as spices, oils, and sauces. This will save you time and energy when it comes to meal prep, as you won't have to run to the store every time you want to cook something. Next, plan your meals in advance. Take a few minutes at the beginning of the week to map out what you'll be eating each day. This will not only save you from the last-minute decision-making stress but also ensure that you have all the necessary ingredients on hand. You can even prepare some components of your meals ahead of time, like chopping vegetables or marinating meat, to further streamline the cooking process. When it comes to cooking, multitasking is your best friend. While one dish is simmering on the stove, use that time to prep the ingredients for the next dish. This way, you'll be able to make the most of your time in the kitchen and have multiple dishes ready at once. Efficiency is key. Another helpful tip is to embrace shortcuts. There's no shame in using pre-cut vegetables, pre-made sauces, or even frozen meals on occasion. These shortcuts can save you precious time and still result in a delicious and nutritious meal. Remember, cooking should be enjoyable, not a chore. Now, let's talk about cleaning up. Nobody likes a pile of dirty dishes after a meal. To make cleanup easier, try to clean as you go. Wash dishes and utensils as you finish using them, and wipe down countertops as you go. This will prevent a huge mess from accumulating and make the post-meal cleanup a breeze. In conclusion, mastering your cooking routine is all about planning, efficiency, and embracing shortcuts. With a well-stocked pantry, meal planning, multitasking, and a little bit of organization, you can effortlessly whip up delicious meals without the stress. So, what are you waiting for? Start implementing these tips today and say goodbye to kitchen chaos forever. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. And don't forget to leave a comment below sharing your favorite cooking routine hacks. Happy cooking!